How to use WhatsApp web on Android phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use WhatsApp web on your Android phone. For this, launch open any web browser, then search for WhatsApp. Now you have these applications over here, WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business, that you can install on your Android device. But if you want to use the WhatsApp web, you want to tap on this website instead, which is whatsapp.com. So once you get here, it is still going to give you the option to download the application. So what you want to do here is tap on these three dots over here. Now scroll and find the option of desktop site. Tap on this. Once you do that, it's going to open the web version. If you did not get the WhatsApp web version by doing this, you can simply type web.whatsapp.com in your URL box, which will now take you to this page over here. So you simply want to log into your account by scanning this QR code. For this, you want to open WhatsApp on your another device. Then tap on the three dots, tap linked devices, and then tap on link a device. Now point your phone at the screen to scan this QR code right here. And with this, you will be able to use your WhatsApp web on Android phone. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.